Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2018 through 2021 Kia Rio 5-door. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is fastened. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, and those numbers will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a customized fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you would remove this outer cover, and to do so, you just press on the 3 dots on the side of the cover and pull back and down. Now we'll look at the fasteners and adjustments behind this first panel here. That gives us access to the fastener which holds the tower to the bar. That fastener also offers the pitch adjustment, which is the angle of the bar, and that helps to compensate for curved roof lines on a vehicle. Now when I close that cover, you'll see here how that prevents access to that fastener for security. Now below that one is a toe adjustment. Now the toe adjustment, will demonstrate that by loosening it with the tool that's provided with the towers. Now you can see there's 3 points of adjustment, and those adjustments will help to give the pad and clip assembly the best positioning within the door frame and on the roof line. Now when we tighten this, you'll hear this handle on the tool click, and that will indicate to you that you've reached the correct tightness. Now back to the inside of the tower here, we have another adjustment here. When you tighten that, that will pull this clip against the door frame. And underneath this panel is the final adjustment. That fastener, when you tighten it, that will pull the clip upward against the door frame. Now the clip itself is a strong steel material with a durable black powder coat finish. There is a rubber pad where the clip touches the door frame. That'll help to protect and provide grip to the door frame. Here you have a pivoting pad assembly. The rubber itself is vehicle specific and will be in a shape that best matches the area and where it rests against the roof line. Now we'll go ahead and put the cover back into place, and to do so we just hook at the bottom and it snaps at the top. Now you'll notice there's a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. These lock cores can be purchased in matched sets separately, and that way you can have all 4 of your towers all key matched, as well as any other Yakima SKS compatible accessory or carrier, and that'll give you a very convenient way to lock and unlock and provide security for those items. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.